Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel How to Browser. You were trying to restore the iPhone using iTunes, but you received this message. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process of how to fix iTunes could not restore the iPhone because an error occurred. Now let's dive right into the video. Instead of using Wi-Fi, you should connect your iPhone to the computer directly. So what you need to do, what you need to have is a original USB cable, because using an original USB cable will give you a stable connection between your devices. So what you need to do is to look for USB. So what cable you will need to buy is a Apple Lightning to USB-C cable. Alright. Yeah. Alright. Another thing you may try is to restart your iPhone and computer. Maybe there are some errors in your system, so for that reason I recommend you to restart your Mac and iPhone. Method number 3 is to simply update iTunes to the latest version. Also, it's recommended to check the security software on your computer, because the security software may prevent the correct connection between your iPhone and computer. So what you need to do is to simply disable the feature and remove security program. Now guys, that's the end of the video. I hope this mini tutorial helped you. If you tried these methods and it worked, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video for more how-to videos. See you guys in the next video. Take much care.